everyone! Our ice cream shop is back and ready to serve you all. Let's welcome our first customer. Oh, hello, JJ.
Hi, I'd like an ice cream bar.
What flavor would you like?
I'd like a kiwi-flavored ice cream bar. Can you make one for me?
Sure, JJ. Please wait a moment. We'll make it right away for you. We have lots of colorful Play-Doh. I'll choose the turquoise one. It has a cute bear face on it. Turquoise. For the first ice cream bar, I'll use this yellow ice cream mold. First, we'll remove this part. Open the mold and put the Play-Doh inside. We need a yellow stick in the middle. Now close the mold and press it firmly. The ice cream has taken shape. The delicious kiwi-flavored ice cream bar for JJ is ready. Come here, JJ.
It looks so smooth and tasty. I'd also like some pink flower-shaped candy on top. Can you help with that?
Of course. Please wait just a little longer. Now we're at the candy counter. Here are the pink flower-shaped candies. They're so bright and sparkly. JJ, come and get your ice cream.
Amazing! I can't wait to try it. It's so delicious. Thank you so much, ice cream shop. I'll come back next time.
I wonder who our next customer will be. Come on in.
Hello, everyone. May I have an ice cream too?
Hello, Bella. What flavor would you like?
I like strawberry and banana. Could you make me an ice cream with both flavors?
Please have a seat and wait a moment. We'll make it for you. This pink mold looks good. To make the strawberry flavor, I'll use pink Play-Doh. Pink! Let's put it into the mold. But we'll only fill half of it. For the other half, we'll use yellow Play-Doh for the banana flavor. A pink stick. Now it's time to close the mold and press it tightly. We've made a two-flavor ice cream bar, banana and strawberry.
I could already smell the fresh aroma from over there. It's very impressive.
Would you like some candy on top, Bella?
Yes, please. Some sparkly green candy would be wonderful.
Sure, I'll get it right away. Can you see where the green candy is? Here it is. Let's sprinkle it on. Let's cover both sides evenly. I think Bella will really like it.
Let me see. Wow, it's so sparkly and beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to enjoy it while I wait for my friend.
Enjoy your ice cream. Bella came with a friend too. Let's see who it is.
It's me. Hello, everyone.
Oh, hello.
I'm Nina. Does your ice cream shop have taro-flavored ice cream?
Of course. Please have a seat and wait a moment. We'll use this ice cream mold to make a taro-flavored ice cream bar. Taro flavor should be light purple. Look, it's smiling at us. I'll squeeze the Play-Doh a little to make it easier to put into the mold. Don't forget to add the stick. Are you ready? Nina, come over here.
It looks so smooth and delicious.
Would you like some candy on top, Nina?
Thank you, but I prefer the original flavor just as it is.
Then please sit over there and enjoy it. I can see there's still another customer over there.
I arrived a little late. Do you still have ice cream?
Of course. What flavor would you like, Cody?
I see you have mango and blueberry flavors. Please make me an ice cream with those 2 flavors.
We'll make it for you right away. Please wait a moment. Let's make a mango and blueberry ice cream bar for Cody. We'll put both the blue and orange pieces of Play-Doh into the mold at the same time. Then add the stick. Just like the previous ice creams, let's press the mold and see the result. Cody, come take a look.
It's even better than I expected. Your ice cream shop has made me very happy.
Would you like some candy on top?
I'm so eager to enjoy it that I'll save the candy for next time.
All right, enjoy your ice cream. All of our customers loved their ice creams. They're colorful and delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, and see you next time.